Hey, what's good? I'm back. Yeah, I'm back, baby. Hey, listen, I was just sitting up here thinking, I see the Houston Texans, they playing pretty good. They might whoop Pittsburgh tonight. If so, what are the chances of both of my teams playing each other in the Super Bowl? The Chicago Bears and the Houston Texans. What's the chances of both of those teams meeting each other in the Super Bowl? If that shit happens, listen, just know I'm going to win the Powerball this year. Just know if the Chicago Bears and the Houston Texans meet in the goddamn Super Bowl, I'm going to win the goddamn Powerball this year. Both of my goddamn teams. Let's go, Chicago. Let's go, Houston.